So I have been at work all day, and the plan today was supposed to take AJ to go get his permit, but he has to work on a project in school that he's going to be staying at pretty late. So since I already had this time mapped out that I was going to be out of the house, I figured I might as well go take advantage of this $25 gift card that I got from points on my credit card at Whole Foods. I've never been, so I am so excited to go shopping there. So let's go. Alright, so let me start off by saying it is a beautiful store, but definitely not a store that I would shop at regularly. If you have one in your area, it's definitely worth the visit once, maybe once in a great while, but definitely not something I would visit often. I mean, I will take Trader Joe's any day. Trader Joe's is much more affordable, doable with budgets. Whole Foods definitely isn't. I mean, I got one bag and it cost us $45. So even besides the $25 gift card that I had, I still had to kick in another $20. Now granted, I did buy a lavender plant. It was $12, but I could not resist. Oh, it's so pretty. Can't really smell it, but I love the burlap around it. Oh, now I'm going to try to keep it indoors for as long as I can. I'm going to sit it on my kitchen window. I know it will do better outside, but I'm going to try to hold off and keep it in as long as possible because I think it's just beautiful. So let's move on now to the grocery. So I had gotten some kettle chips at D'Angelo's I really liked. I think it's called Mrs. Vicky's or something like that. I seen these that are similar. So I grabbed one bag to try. This loaf of bread was $3.99. I was debating whether or not to buy it, but we're down to like 4 slices of bread. There wasn't much to choose from. It is organic, so I just picked it up. I had the gift card. I had picked up this rice milk at Price Right of all places, and I absolutely loved it. Oh my goodness, this is the closest thing to cow milk that I have ever tasted, and I have been looking for it ever since, and I haven't been able to find it. So just this trip alone for this was worth it, because this was really, really good. And I saw this one before I saw that one. That one was in the refrigerator section, and this one was just on the shelves. This goes all the way till January 2019, and it is rice milk but with quinoa, so give that a try too. And for tonight's dinner, we are doing pineapple with ancient grains, ginger, and green onions. It's meatballs, so I figure with some gravy and some mashed potatoes, that will be dinner tonight. Hopefully it's good. That's what I told Denny. This was like $7.99. I'm like, I hope for that price it's at least edible, because it is what's for dinner tonight. We needed some parm, so I figured why not get it there. I think this was like $3.69 or $3.99, which is basically what you would buy at a regular grocery store anyway. And I'm thinking it's a little bit better. It's not treated with those hormones and stuff, so I don't know. And then we got some sesame sticks, because the other day at work somebody had these and they were really good, so I decided to pick some up. And now my very last item, I got some lavender kombucha. Now this is my first time I've ever tried any kind of kombucha, never mind lavender. We did get footage of me trying it for the first time, so watch that at the end if you're interested to see what I thought of it. I was really excited to get some because I haven't ever tried it, and I have been wanting to try it, and I've been looking for one to finally bite the bullet, and I figured why not a lavender one. So stick around for that. And that's that. That was my very small haul. Huge store. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the footage before this or after this, but by now maybe you would have seen some footage of the store. I mean, gorgeous store. I definitely, you know, give it props, but again, it's not a grocery store that I could do my weekly shopping at. So I enjoyed the experience, but I will stick to my little more doable as far as the wallet stores in my areas. You know, they definitely have kicked it up a notch there, but the notch is just too high for me. And yeah, that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
No, I didn't.
You didn't shake it? I don't know if you're supposed to, but let's just... It almost has like a juice and soda mix kick with like Fabuloso. Yeah, you try it.
Tastes like you're drinking a cleaning product.
Doesn't it give you like that almost like soda type of thing, and then you get like a juice
Very
kick?
faint, like at first, and then it's like,
right?
Then it's Fabuloso.